Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen. Welcome back to school. Ang ituturo ko naman ngayon ay para sa mga senior high school na ang strands nila ay ATM. Okay? So, ang subject na ituturo ko ngayon ay Fundamental of Accounting, Business, and Management. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is all about Statement of Financial Position. Ready? So, topics to be discussed: definition and elements of the financial position, two kinds of assets and two kinds of liabilities. So, we will proceed to definition and elements of the financial positions. So, financial statement, ito po yun. So, ito po yung balance sheet. Okay? So, siguro familiar na kayo dito kasi na-discuss na ito nung una nyo kasi fundamental of accounting and business and management. Una po. So, nung one, na-discuss na po ito. So, ilalawakan pa lang po natin. Ayun. So, this is the sample for financial statements. So, these are the structured representation of an entity's financial position, which is balance sheet, and the result of its operation, which is the statement of performance. These are the product of process. Okay, elements of the financial position. We have assets. These are the resources to control that have resulted from past events can provide you with the future economic benefits. Ano nga ba yung mga assets? We have tangible, intangible, living, and moving. Sa tangible, yan po yung mga appliances, pera, libro, bahay. O, pag sinabi ng mga intangible, that is goodwill, brand, rights, mga stocks, tangible. Pag living naman po, living things. Kunyari, may farm ka, may poultry ka, mga alaga tayo. That is also assets. Then yung moving, mga sasakyan. Okay, swerte mo kung may-ari ka ng airplane, yate, o yung mga sports car. The second one is liabilities. These are your present obligations that have resulted from the past events and require to keep up resources when setting them. Ang liabilities, yan po yung accrued, accounts payable, interest payable, yan po, bills payable, so income taxes. Yan po yung binabayaran natin. Okay? Yan po yung liabilities, mga utang, loans, mga bills, yan, lahat ng binabayaran. So that is liabilities. And then the third one is equity. Equity, it means asset minus liabilities. Other terms for equity are capital, net assets, and net worth. Kung ano yung matitira, binawas mo yung asset, binawas mo yung liability sa asset, that is equity. So, types of equity accounts yung mga common stock, preferred stock, treasury stock, additional paid capital, yan po yung mga equity. Next, two kinds of assets. We have current assets and non-current assets. Pag sinabing current assets, yan yung cash, receivables, inventories, mga prepaid expense. Pag sinabing non-current, yan yung land, building, equipment, furniture, tapos yung accumulated expense. That is non-current assets. Okay? Two kinds of liabilities. We have current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Pag sinabing current liabilities, yan yung cash dividends payable, expenses, short-term payable, accounts payable, taxes payable, and earned revenues. Long term, yan po yung mga bonds, pension liability, long-term loans. Yan po yung long-term liabilities. Okay, that's all. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye po. Until next time. Meron po itong part